Thank you so much to Clover for sponsoring a portion of today's video.
Hi, I'm Danielle. I do too much. I like hair, talking, cosplay, music, art, and stuff.
Hello. Long time no see. This desk looks like my mind right now. Okay, so I'll be honest. I feel super awkward right now because it's been so long since I've done this. It's been a while for several reasons. I think the main one is I just don't like getting on the internet and being negative. I like to be genuine and I like to share what's going on in my life within reason. Because of the state of things right now, it's been really hard to come up with like a lighthearted video, but I feel like I'm capable of that right now. And also I have a terrible task I've been putting off for way too long, and this is a perfect excuse to catch up and get this done. This is my desk. This is my StarPuppy desk, and it looks terrible. And it's looked terrible for quite some time now. And I really want to clean it up, and this is a really good way for us to do this. So you start doing, if you'd like, a task that you've been putting off for a long time, because Evelyn from the internets just came back, and I cleaned so much of my apartment just rewatching her decluttering series and the Vlogmas. It was good to see one of my favorite content creators back on the internet, and then I remembered, oh, I'm a content creator too. I should say hi. All right, first things first, I think just having to deal with how messed up life can be has really driven me back to the core of my happiness. Reading, drawing, music, family, friends, which are family. Oh, speaking of music, I don't know if a lot of you know, I think there is a video on my channel of me reconnecting with music, particularly piano. I was taught piano as a child. I think I come from a very musical family. It's very much so at the core of who I am. And as all of these stressors and instabilities have been introduced into my life, I've fallen back on the best things I've ever experienced. And music is one of them. And I'm so happy to report that I've been learning my favorite song. It's just so special to me. I'm not ready to share it yet, but I will share 2 other songs that I'm learning at the same time because squirrel brain. Okay, one thing about me is that I don't like ballads, but I love a super dramatic ballad. Okay? This is Living Inside Myself by Gino Vanelli. It's super heavy on the drama. I just think it hits really hard. It's very danceable. And I don't know, in this stage of my life, it makes sense. I don't know how else to say it. Another thing I'm learning is From the Start by Lofi. I have the sheet music for the basic chords of this song. I've found that I love a seventh. I found that I love a diminished I live in sevenths. Music heads will get it. I have the guitar chords because I play both. I mean, can I read music? Yes. Can I play that red music? Yes. Am I trained in music theory? Yes. But the way my imposter syndrome is set up. All right, as I'm looking around, I'm seeing a lot of yarn. I'm seeing a lot of just like bits and bobs that need to be just placed. All of these things have places in my home. But just also, they're not in their home. You know the craziest thing? She and I had big, expensive medical bills that were completely unexpected, like back to back. That's like the jump scare of adulthood. But fortunately, I have resources for advanced checks, and I'd like to give you a similar source. Roll it. I'd like to thank Clover for sponsoring this portion of the video. So, in these unprecedented times, I myself have needed an advance on a check. Unexpected expenses such as this. Do you know how much a vet visit costs? I do. Unexpected costs are so stressful, like car repairs, unexpected medical issues. Clover is a financial app that gives people access to their money. It's what a cash advance should be. You should be able to access the money that you have earned. It would be nice to have Clover on your side. You can get up to $400, no credit check, no late fees, and it's just a really good resource to have. I would suggest that you go to the link in my description or check out this QR code because we all deserve to have a little cushion without any credit check or hidden fees. That's not fair. I'm wishing you well. I'm doing my best. I know you're doing your best. We can do it. All right. So here's a resource for you, and let's get back to the video. There are 1 million books on the ground here. I fully intended to film a video about all of the books I've read this year. Last year, 2025, because I got back into reading, which is very exciting, but kind of abandoned that because the world kept doing things and I kept getting distracted by those things and didn't have the energy to film a lighthearted video about reading. But now I do. What else? I have secretly pig chopped. Okay, these are my passion twists. I am working up the courage to show that process on the public internet. I'll probably put it on Patreon before I make an official video on here. But yeah, we out here doing our best. What else? Also, I'm thinking about getting back into the dating field. Last week, I had very possibly the most perfect meet cute ever. And we'll see. But that interaction, it just kind of filled me with hope, which I think is a really big theme in my life lately. A feeling of hope that things can and will get better. I've witnessed it many times, and I know it can and will happen again. And finally, now that I have my heart right, I felt the urge to hop back on here and encourage you to. Because shenanigans abound. I'm still here. You're still here. I think we should just do our best. I'd like to be more consistent on here like I used to be. Remember when I would upload 2 videos a week? And I did that for like a year. Amazing. Amazing. I am really and truly doing my best, and I have a strong inclination that you are too. And I see you, and we're gonna be okay. It's true. So, thank you for watching. This has been me, Danielle, a resident weirdo, StarPuppy, signing off. Say it with me now. StarPuppy. Away! Don't forget to like, share, subscribe if you enjoyed the video.